And welcome back. It was another day we had a lot of sunshine across the region, but it was very cold for this time of year. We should be around 51 degrees for an average high. We only made it to 31 degrees so far in North Platte. And we've fallen to 20 over the last couple of hours. Wind is westerly, around 9 miles per hour. It is pretty dry out there. A little cool in terms of the wind chill at 9 degrees. That dew point at 3 below zero. Here's a look at the temperatures across the region. We're near 20 out toward Imperial, Lexington, Ogallala, Thedford, Valentine, and Broken Bow. And Hyannis a little warmer at 22 degrees right now. Here's a look at the winds. Now, mainly from a westerly direction. That's a dry flow for us, and it is clear where we do have that strong westerly wind, especially from the I-80 corridor and into most of the Sandhills. Wind speeds right now around 5 to 15 miles per hour. A little bit of a southeast or a southwesterly wind up toward Valentine, where they have a few more clouds up in that direction. Here's a look at the wind chill values. So most of us do have the current temperatures near 20, but the wind chill values in all of our locations are near 10 degrees. So be prepared for that as you make your way outside if you do have outdoor plans this evening. So mainly clear skies, the story as of right now. Valentine up there has partly cloudy skies. More cloud cover as you make your way into portions of South Dakota. Now, here's a look at the map across the country. Do have this upper level low pressure system that's still spinning around, pumping in a lot of cool air into our forecast areas. This high pressure system works its way away from us. A lot of lake effects known into the lower peninsula of Michigan and into portions of western New York State. That's the main weather story across the country. So as this works its way off to the east, we have a dual high pressure system setting up, which means warmer air and sunny conditions are on the way. We'll have that nice warm up to round out the weekend and start next week. So the skycast for tonight shows that we could have a few passing clouds coming down from the Sandhills, otherwise mostly clear skies, and temperatures staying near 20 until the late evening. Then they'll fall back into the mid to upper teens. So warmer to start off tomorrow compared to today, and we'll continue that warming trend. West-northwesterly winds tomorrow with high temperatures ranging from the lower 30s up north. Most of us, though, are going to be closer to 40 degrees. That sunshine will make it feel a little warmer. Then we get more of a southwesterly wind, starting off even warmer on Sunday with temperatures for lows near 20 just after daybreak, and then high temperatures as we go through the day on Sunday will be into the lower 50s. So here's what it looks like on the map. As soon as we get this cool high pressure system and the really cold air mass off to our east, we got this secondary high that will crest over us, keep sunshine in our forecast, and eventually give us that strong southerly wind that will warm us up to above average levels as we start off next week. And that warm up could stick around for a while. This is the 6 to 10 day outlook, which goes from November 24th through the 28th, and it looks like we do have that 50 to 60% chance of above average temperatures. Average highs this time of year are going to fall into the upper 40s. By then, we look to be above that, and we look to stay dry. We do have that, let's say, around 40 to 50% chance of being drier than average. So it looks like what we have for the next week or so with the mainly dry weather will continue as we round out the month of November. So 40 on Saturday, 53 on Sunday, lower 50s Monday and Tuesday, sunny to mostly sunny skies. Could be a little breezy at times, 53 on Wednesday, still dry, partly cloudy. Upper 40s on Thanksgiving, still mostly sunny, but a little windy, and 57 for Friday as we warm right back up there with mostly sunny skies. Ian?
Thank you so much, Justin. Here's my question for you today. Is these 50 degrees, is that kind of average for this time of year? Or, because it seems a little bit warmer to me, but I might be wrong.
Yeah, average high around 50, 51 degrees. We're going to lose some of the temperature off that as we go through the next week.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Justin. I appreciate it. And President Biden highlighted the recent progress in the battle against inflation during a White House event today with business executives and labor leaders. But even as experts point to easing inflation, the holiday season is about to test Americans' wallets, and no more than in the next week as millions travel and fill